In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do strike-through in Excel. If you want to cross out text or numbers in a spreadsheet without deleting them, the strike-through format is a simple and useful tool. It's great for marking completed tasks, showing items that are no longer active, or keeping old information visible for reference while making it clear that it should no longer be used. To get started, open your Excel file and go to the worksheet where you want to apply the formatting. Once your file is open, there are two easy ways to add strike-through. The fastest method is to use a keyboard shortcut. First, select the cell or highlight the specific text you want to cross out. After that, press Ctrl and 5 on your keyboard at the same time. Excel will instantly apply the strike-through format. This is the quickest option, especially if you need to format multiple cells while working through a spreadsheet. If you ever want to remove the strike-through, you can usually use the same shortcut again after selecting the cell. That makes it a very convenient toggle for quick edits. The second method is through the Format Cells menu. This is helpful if you prefer using Excel's formatting options, or if you want to see exactly where the setting is located. Start by selecting the cell you want to format, then press Ctrl and 1 on your keyboard. This opens the Format Cells panel. From there, go to the Font tab. In that section, look for the strike-through option and click it to enable the formatting. Using the Format Cells menu is especially useful if you're already adjusting other font settings like size, style, or color, because you can manage everything in one place. It also helps if you're learning Excel and want to become more familiar with where formatting tools are located. One quick tip: make sure you select the correct cell or the exact text inside the cell before applying the format. If nothing seems to happen, double-check what's selected and try again. In some cases, keyboard shortcuts can vary slightly depending on your device or Excel version, but these are the standard steps most people use. And that's it. Now you know two simple ways to do strike-through in Excel: the quick keyboard shortcut and the Format Cells method. Both are easy, and once you've done it once, it becomes second nature.